The International Organization for Migration Mission in Uzbekistan has convened a 2-day workshop titled A Data-Driven Approach to Counter Irregular Migration and Migrant Smuggling, bringing together senior representatives from the Senate of the Oli Majlis, the Migration Agency under the Cabinet of Ministers, the Prosecutor General's Office, the Ministry of Internal Affairs, and the University of Public Safety. The event focuses on harnessing the power of data, technology, and interagency coordination to improve the effectiveness and timeliness of border and law enforcement responses to migrant smuggling. It also serves as a platform to introduce IOM's innovative data exchange solution for counter-smuggling initiative, a digital platform designed to strengthen global data sharing and predictive analysis in combating smuggling networks.
Welcome from the International Organization for Migration, which I represent from our regional office in Vienna, Austria. We are here in Uzbekistan to talk about our data exchange solution for counter-smuggling, or DESC. DESC carries a critical gap in what we have seen in border management. A problem that exists in many countries is that we have a lot of information and alerts about known individuals, but unfortunately we do not have enough information on trends and patterns. And in most cases, irregular migration is not about known individuals. They are not on alert lists. Smugglers often are also not on alert lists. So we need to have trends and patterns. Trends and patterns are formulated in the following way. All our participating countries in Andex, in DESC, bring their interception data together. Interception about fraudulent documents or imposters. And by putting this data together every quarter, every 3 months, we are able to signify the statistical trends and patterns of document fraud. By having this information, first-line officers in the participating countries can target those specific nationality of issuing states, documents of issuing state, which allows us to have much more results in interception. And at the same time, allows regular passengers, bona fide passengers, to pass through the borders much more smoothly and quickly, because we know where to focus our attention. Irregular migration through the services of smugglers is, of course, on the rise. Regular migration is a big business, so it's increasing, unfortunately, also because regular pathways, which is the other side of the coin, when we are promoting very much, are not sufficiently developed. So migrants are still thinking that the irregular way is easier, but unfortunately they are not aware of all the dangers that may go along with utilizing services of these organized crime rings for irregular migration. So obviously IOM supports regular pathways, regular ways of migrating, circulation, and bilateral labor agreements with countries of destination, and hopefully more and more people will find their way to these regular pathways rather than the illegal and irregular paths which they have been using, and which unfortunately continue to rise, because this kind of business will not be reduced over a day, because there is too much interest behind it. And so we hope that the DESC platform, by showing all the unknown patterns and trends, will help us to dismantle some of this.
The sessions also showcased the DESC Artificial Intelligence and Analytics Dashboard, a system that visualizes smuggling patterns and document forgery trends, helping law enforcement agencies anticipate and prevent cross-border criminal activities.